Okay. Hey guys, anyways. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna vlog today and it's around like 4 right now and I just started vlogging now. We actually went ice skating at Prospect Park already. We're eating at this Five Spice restaurant, basically. Like it's like Mexican and like Vietnamese food. We got Vietnamese and then we're going back ice skating later. And the intro you saw there was me and my friend laughing at each other, trying not to spit our food out for no reason. We just stared at each other and we started laughing. Five Spice, you scan here and they have the menu.
So it's been a few days since I recorded that vlog, but what I was saying, I recorded a clip. I'm gonna insert like a couple pictures or videos that I'm gonna find from earlier, because I started recording around 4. But you know, I'm just editing right now. I have like a couple videos to edit for you guys, so stay tuned.
Okay, so I got a beef noodle soup and then I got,
it's really cold, by the way.
oh shit, I got a summer roll and then Kung Fu tea. Yeah, as I was saying, Kung Fu tea is down the block. I actually got it. My dad's friend actually owns the Kung Fu tea, so I got Kung Fu tea, and then I got like a free Pocky. Hee. Warming myself up. We got a table right outside the restaurant. It's like covered, it has a door, and then they have a few tables there and then like a few tables there. Well, my fingers are so cold, I can't move them.
Oh, you want me to feel?
Oh my goodness. She's so weird, bro. You see the friends I have?
Good acting.
So, as always, I'm still eating, and my friend, she already finished all her food. So she's literally just waiting here. Like she always does, as she should. Wait for me. Oh, there's so much beef. I feel like I keep eating the beef and there's still more beef and more beef. So I'm just gonna like finish this one thing. My hands are so cold. Do you see that?
Aw, you want me to warm you up?
You're so... That sounds... Let me just eat in peace. Literally so cold.
You look shivering. Ew, why did you do that?
What? God, I don't like you.
These are big fucking chunk of shit.
my god, my hands are so cold I can't even open it. Wait, I for real can't open it.
Really?
Yeah, there's no opening. I found the opening. That was dumb. You just shake it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You slam it, do a really aggressive thing on it.
Yeah. Okay, I got the hand warmer. Oh, it's heating up. Okay, I'm gonna put it in my pocket. Let's go now. Okay, so the Kung Fu Tea was like a block down. Can't see it, but it's around Barclay Center. It's over there. Where are we going?
Insomnia cookie.
Yes. And then we're going back to Prospect. So we're at the train station now. About to go back to Prospect. She jumped the turnstile, but I swiped because I was too tired. I was too tired to be jumping. What happened?
So that guy, he looked at me at first, and then he was like, and then he walked behind. I thought he was gonna rob me, so I was like holding everything so tightly. And then he was like, "Hey, which side is the Manhattan side?" And I point to that side, and then his eye got bigger. He was like, "You got a fat bubble." I'm like, and then I was like leaning towards you because I was like really scared. And then I just looked away.
Literally sitting here, just minding my own business, looking at my phone, right, recording for you guys, whatever. And all of a sudden, I see her like, and then I see this guy. Okay, literally, okay, I see this guy like.
Yeah.
I'm like, what the hell is happening?
Like he's so close to me.
Like, what the hell is happening? Anyways, normal day in New York.
Yeah.
Found this little thing. We're just sitting here. The ducks. Let me take freaking pictures of her. You see this? She took off her whole jacket and I'm holding it. Wow, let's see the photo. Let's see a photo.
Oh my god, I like this one. Like, no, wait, or like this. Oh my god, I like.
My goodness. Currently waiting on this big ass line for the lockers. Do you see this? We've literally been waiting for like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, right? 20 minutes and we're still standing here waiting to buy a locker. We finally got our skates. Going skating now. So we skated for about like what, half an hour?
Yeah.
Half an hour. We only got to skate for about half an hour because we had to wait on that long ass line for lockers and go to a bathroom and change, you know, everything. But it was better. It was better than the morning. It was much more fun. Right, Wendy? Now we're gonna go sit down and eat the rest of the insomnia cookies and then go home. From before, I think this is a s'mores. This is the white chocolate macadamia. And then this is just a sugar cookie. Nom 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 nom. End of the day now. We're going home. Ugh. Ugh. Ew. Ugh. I had a fun day though. I don't know her, guys. Over there. She's going the Manhattan way, and I'm going Coney Island. So this right over here was just a clip of me on the subway. I was like literally so scared. There was this guy in front of me on the like 3-seater, and I was on the 2-seater. I don't know why I sat near him. I didn't even look when I got on the subway. I was just so scared, so I was just recording this little clip staring at my phone. Hey guys, so I'm finally back in bed, all comfortable and shit. I just took a shower after I came back. So I just want to say thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Give me more ideas on what I should do. Love you guys. Peace.